Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Today we will take a look finally on the euro currency. Previous couple of weeks we talked on the British pound, but right now euro shows really significant progress, so it just can't be ignored, and we have to take a look and make some adjustments to our opinion and our assessment of the situation on the euro currency. As we have said on the previous week, as soon as market has taken out of these tops, our short-term bearish setup has failed, and butterfly that we have discussed previously was destroyed. But we previously had significant hope on this butterfly because we thought that it could be the foundation, the starting pattern of the big retracement on the monthly chart. So the last update that we have prepared on the 6th of April, we said that we are anticipating and expect to see the retracement up. That were some significant factors that pointed on this issue that should start at this retracement. Mostly that was the data on the safety C report that shows the real overextension of the great overextension of the short positions, and sooner or later that should be corrected by the market, and market should show some retracement. But on this, at that point we didn't know how the retracement will start, with which pattern will trigger this retracement. And when the market starts to form the shape, we thought that this probably will be the butterfly. But right now it seems that definitely it's not. And another pattern that has been formed and confirmed last week was the double repo buy on the weekly chart. And probably we will use this pattern as the retracement up. So we suggest that you will read our weekly research on the farm, because it also shows the analysis of the monthly and weekly chart. And these time frames, we have to say that they are the important time frames for current situation, because the daily analysis and the weekly, and the video that we prepare mostly shows the tactical approach, what levels to watch for, where to take the position, and so on. But it doesn't show the picture in general, what we expect to get, how far this action will happen, what's the foundation for this action. So that all these moments clarified by weekly and monthly charts. So on the daily chart, we expect that market will reach the first target, stands approximately 115 at minimum, because in general we will not be surprised if we will see even 120. That's absolutely normal, the current situation in action that we see on the higher time frame charts. But right now, on the common week, the most important for us will be the target's 115. Take a look at that. In this area, we'll stand on the daily time frame chart. On the weekly chart, we also have another levels here. Particularly speaking, that will be the fib level. But on the daily chart, we have here the target of this ABC bottom 1618 extension. That will be also the new May monthly pivot resistance one. And probably market will be at overbought, and so market will continue to move high. You can see that this target stands rather far from the current level and from the overbought condition. It means that this target will be reached, but maybe not even on the common week. Because market right now stands at daily overbought, at weekly overbought. And it's very close to the completion point of this butterfly cell. It's 113.58 area. Beg your pardon. So that's why it's not definitely the moment to take the long position. What we would like to get here on the daily chart, guys, we need to buy some dip. We need this retracement to take the long position. And here, the most probable target of the retracement we see as the 110 area. Because take a look, that is the former resistance. So you can see market has struggled for a considerable period. First test, second, third test, bounce deep down this breakout. So that will be natural support resistance area. Also, guys, take a look. That will be the monthly pivot point of the May that has been tested yet by the market. Finally, as we know that market is overbought on the weekly and daily chart, retracement probably will be significant. And that will be, guys, the confluence support. It's 109, 109.70. It's confluence support on the daily chart. That's why we think that this is the most probable area that market should reach before it will continue to move higher. So retracement probably will be significant. That will be the first stage of our plan. Wait for the retracement will start and watch for this level as potential suitable area for taking the long position. Now we will drop our time frame one step more to the 4-hour time frame chart, and this probably will be useful for those of you who trade on that possible retracement, who intend to trade euro on the short sides of the market. For me, guys, personally, I do not have intention to trade euro short. I just will be wait for reaching of some support area and will be watching for taking the long position. But many of you trades on the intraday charts, on scalp traders, so maybe this information will be useful for you. So take a look what we have on the 4-hour time frame chart. Trend has shifted bearish. Market has completed minor, this most recent ABCD patterns. You can see the 1618 target has been hit right here. And take a look. Market could form the double ripple sale pattern, for example. Maybe this will be some other pattern. Maybe this will be also the butterfly or something of that sort. But thrust itself, yes, it has some significant deep retracements on the way up, especially this one, significant. But as market has overcome these tops and moves higher, it makes us think that this thrust could be used for a double ripple trading. Maybe we could treat it as the double ripple lookalike. Because market, after that retracements, market has shown the significant upward action, because and also those traders who have exited out from this thrust were compensated by the new traders who are taking the position for this upward action. Here again, maybe some traders have closed position here on this retracement, but new traders taking the position and market has accelerated further. That's why, as market stands at the new top, we think that it's probably this thrust in general is suitable for the trading double ripple pattern. So all that you need is just to wait for the double ripple sell and then decide whether you would like to take the short or not. The target of this double ripple stands approximately at 109.70. Take a look right at the same area where this stands the confluence support on the daily. And also take a look, that will be the weekly pivot support one. So retracement in the long term and the new bull trend from the overbought to the weekly pivot support one, that's absolutely normal. So we know that the weekly support, the pivot supports holds retracements on the bull trends. That's normal. So that's why take a look at this area as the target and watch for a possible reversal pattern here. On the hourly chart, guys, you could use this channel as additional beacon, additional signal for the possible, as the confirmation that this retracement has started. Probably market should break it down, this channel. As soon as real retracement down will start, you could use this as the confirmation signal if you will take a position on the double ripple. So that's all that we have on the euro currency. Euro currency has really huge perspective, huge potential for trading. You will understand it when you read our analysis on the weekly, especially on the monthly chart. And that's been said as the conclusion, two-step of our trading plan. First, wait for the retracement down. Second, taking the long position for moving at the first targets, 115 approximately.